Most video editors know how annoying it can be to have to edit and animate your own motion graphics and text animations every single video. This can be extremely time consuming and just also drain a lot of mental energy to figure out which motion graphics to use. That's why in this video, I'm giving away a free template preset pack of 90 of my favorite motion graphic presets. I'm telling you, I use these free presets in almost every single one of my videos. They help me make effects that look like this, or this, or this, or even this, or if you're editing short form content, you can even do this type of stuff too. All built specifically for Premiere Pro. They're completely editable and customizable. And recently I actually updated this pack with 10 more free templates that are included with this 90 free templates preset pack. And the best part is they come with a free plugin built for Premiere Pro that requires literally no credit card. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Okay guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. First things first is we're gonna go ahead and download this free plugin. So go to AutoEditAI.net and you just click download free. And the plugin literally just downloads straight to your computer. It has these installation steps. If you're on Mac or Windows, it's pretty much the same process. You just double click this package and go through the installation steps. Once you install it, you go to Premiere, you restart Premiere, and then you reopen your project. And then you can go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click Auto Edit Creator Mode, and the plugin pops up. Now, right here, there's free forever tools. So there's like a silence cutter, sound effects, but we're going to be using the motion graphics supplier. And built inside of here are a bunch of crazy MOGRTs in here that will automatically create some sick animations and like title effects, motion graphics to your video in just a click of a button. You can see I can do like crazy stuff over here. I had a video earlier on my channel that went over some of these older presets, but like I said, we actually updated this and we added a bunch of new ones since that last video. And so that's actually what I want to show you guys in this video. So as you can see, I'm creating MOGRTs with literally just a click of a button. We can go ahead and expand this plugin and scroll throughout all of them because there's a bunch of free templates in here and they all look really sick. One of my personal favorites are this one right here, Scenario 12, which is basically this text animation, like highlight word thing. And you can click apply and then instantly it applies this MOGRT to our timeline. They're all like, I'm telling you, the animations on these are super clean. And if you really want to level up your MOGRTs really quickly for free too, you definitely got to check out this plugin. Like, look at this stuff. And the way you customize it is you click on it, you go to the effects control panel, and then you go to like wherever it says the top text or the whatever text area you're trying to change, and you can change it to say whatever you want. So you can type your name and boom, instantly it automatically updates, and you can see all of these animations are pre-built in to the MOGRT. So this is really cool. But like I said, we added some new ones. So one of the new ones that we added are these scenario vertical short form reels. So these are specifically for short form videos. Let's say you're talking about a topic of a video and you want to have like the top of the text animation show while you're talking. Well, you just click and apply one of these. I'm going to do 17 and you can see it comes with this like template where it says replace your footage, but you're like, well, what do I actually do right here? Right? So you go ahead and select the MOGRT. Now you go to your effects control panel and then you hit open properties panel. Now, if you don't see this immediately, it doesn't take you to this in the properties panel. Just go ahead, restart your Premiere, refresh it. Sometimes it just needs a quick refresh because the MOGRT properties aren't loading at first, but it will load up. And then you can go ahead and hit this hamburger icon. And this is where you upload your final edit. So you upload your clip. We're going to use this clip right here. Like I said, this one only works for vertical footage. So I'm going to use this vertical clip. I hit open and boom, instantly it updates the bottom half of my video. So then that way I have this clean animation and it creates a really cool looking short form style edit that you would see in these like high quality edits. And the cool thing is this is happening with just a click of a button. Like I'm not having to animate any of these myself. And I can go ahead and obviously change these icons. I can change the text. I can really customize this to exactly how I want my edit to be. Let's go ahead and add like the Premiere Pro logo, for example. I hit open and boom, instantly it updates it with the Premiere Pro logo, which is really cool. Obviously, you can change the text to say whatever you want as well. And boom, instantly it automatically updates. You can even change the font, the color, the background. You can change the top color background too. Let's say you want it to be black and you want the text to be white. You can do so and it automatically updates and adjusts. So this is a really cool like feature, specifically the fact that all of these plugins, these presets and templates are completely for free. Like I said, there's about 90 of them in here. I can't go over all 90 in this video, but as I scroll throughout them, you can kind of see what you're getting. Like they're actually really high quality, and I really tried my hardest to not BS these or like just give out some shitty templates because I actually want to use these templates in my video too. So it's kind of like important that they look good. So like this one right here, for example, shout out to Gaku Lang. Like he did this style that looks fucking sick with this blurry text animation. Everybody has been like asking me how to make these or like how can you do this inside of Premiere? And I'm like, oh, fuck it, I'll just make a tutorial and I'll give it away for free. So you can create these blurry caption effects in just one click, and you can see you can adjust stuff like the blurriness itself on the bottom of the text as well. It's fully customizable. Like I said, you can download this plugin completely for free. And the best part is there's a bunch of other free tools in here, like this built-in silence cutter tool and the AutoEdit Claude powered creator mode plugin. So yes, if you want to edit your videos 10 times faster with AI, then you can check out this video